Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make salmon cake. First, gather your ingredients like cooked salmon, breadcrumbs, and an egg. Flake about 12 ounces of cooked salmon into a bowl, ensuring no bones remain. In a separate bowl, whisk 1 egg, add 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. This simple preparation sets the stage for delicious results. Now, gently combine the flaked salmon with your prepared binding mixture. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of pepper, and any other desired seasonings like fresh dill. Mix everything until it's just combined and moist, being careful not to overmix. Then, form the mixture into 4 to 6 uniform patties, each about 1 inch thick, ready for cooking. You have a few great options for cooking your salmon cakes. You can pan-fry them in a skillet with 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes per side until golden brown. Alternatively, bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or air fry at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes for a crispy finish. Once your salmon cakes are beautifully cooked, it's time to serve them up. They are fantastic warm, perhaps with a fresh lemon wedge to brighten the flavors. Consider pairing them with a crisp green salad for a light meal or a creamy homemade dill sauce for an extra touch of indulgence. Enjoy your easy, homemade salmon cakes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.